What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes. And in the latest video of our YouTube channel, we did learn how to deactivate, how to remove the emojis from our WordPress website. Since WordPress 4.2 version or 4.4 version, they added support to emojis. They're emoticons that we used to see in our communications. However, this saves this used to take a little bit of performance. Their scripts, their CSS files to load adds on your WordPress a performance delay. So to make your site faster, if you're not using emojis and most of the site isn't using, you can disable this. However, WordPress have no switcher. So into the latest video, we did learn how to deactivate this, but there is another way in a very useful plugin that we have on WordPress, that is the WP fastest cache, okay? And into this video, you're gonna learn how to do this using WP fastest cache, okay? So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor, okay? So let's get this started. First of all, we're gonna move to our WordPress dashboard. From this, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new, okay? Into the upper right corner, next to the keyword, into the field called search plugins, you're gonna type WP fastest cache. So this the one right here, okay? From in, click on install now. Click on activate button. This is a very useful plugin in order to optimize the performance of our WordPress website. So besides removing the emojis and making your site faster, you can activate cache, minify CSS files, and a lot of good useful options. We're gonna explore this in other videos. However, as soon as you click on activate the plugin, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list on your WordPress website, the list that you can see all of the active and installed plugins on your WordPress installation. And if you review once again the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress website, you can see normally into the end of the left sidebar a new button called WP fastest cache. Click on it. And right here we have a couple of options. The very first one and the most important is this one, enable cache, okay? But if you review and look at the end of the options, you can see right here the option disable emojis. Click on it and you can remove the emoji inline CSS and wp-emoji release min.js. Click on submit and we are good to go. In my case, I have to set the permalinks. Let's do this now. Under settings, permalinks. I have using the normal WordPress installation, but normally we used to recommend the post name, just like this. Click on save change. Now we can go back to the WP fastest cache. Enable the cache and disable emojis. Click on submit and we are good to go. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor or blog editor. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of the best free WordPress theme, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass that includes the Pro lessons of our products in order to unlock access to our templates library, icon packs, premium blocks, premium elements, or full support, premium icon packs, and many more elements. However, in the case that you want to save your money, go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzu, click on install and activate it. It's completely free and gonna gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and lots of amazing elements and customization options, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!